Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wings Tuition Classes. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, today I will continue about MS Word. This is part 3rd of MS Word. Yesterday I have told about margins, page and columns and how to set orientation of the page. Today I am going to tell you how to work with shapes in MS Word or how to insert shapes in MS Word. What are shapes? Shapes are of different kinds like a square, circle, rectangle, which you can draw in your MS Word document. So how will you insert shapes in MS Word document? For inserting shapes, you have to go to Insert tab. This is your Insert tab. You will click on Insert tab and there you will get one Shapes button. This is Shapes button. You will click on this button. This will display a window showing so many shapes here. Which shape you want to draw in your MS Word document, you have to simply click on that shape. Like I want to draw this let me choose one shape. Like I want to draw this shape, star. So I will simply click on this shape, then bring your mouse on the page. This will change to this shape plus sign. Click and draw the shape like this. Okay, so like this you can draw the shape in your MS Word document. If you want to change the style of the shape, there are different options from where you can change the style of the shape. Like if you want to choose this one, you can select from here, or any style which you want you can select from here. That will be applied to your shape. Shape fill option is also there. If you want to fill any color inside your shape, you can choose color from here, from shape fill option. There is shape outline option. If you want to change the outline of the shape, first I am increasing this line. Like I am choosing this thicker one. Now you can see the change in the outline. Now see, I am choosing the color and the outline of the shape is changed from here like this. So you can change the outline of the shape. There is one shape effect button. If you want to apply different effects, like if I want to apply this, see, so like this there are different types of effects which you can apply in your shapes. Shadow, reflection, glow, so many types of effects are there. Which you want you can choose and you can apply to your shape from here. Okay, if you want to change the size of the shape, like this is your shape, if you want to change its size, so what you have to do, you can see this rectangle, this circular points here. You will bring your mouse here, it will change to double-headed arrow. Simply you have to click and drag on these points and the size of the shape will be changed from here. If you want to rotate your shape, you can rotate your shape also in any direction. So for that there is one rotation handle. This you can see here on the top. This is your rotation handle. This arrow you can see. Using this, by dragging your mouse, you can rotate your shape also in any direction. If you want to write anything inside the shape, you want to add any text inside your shape, like here I have drawn one shape. I want to write something inside this shape. So for that what you have to do, you have to right click on the shape, bring your mouse here and right click, and after that you will get one option, add text option. You will click, you can see one cursor is blinking here. Now whatever you want to write, like here I am writing star, I am increasing the size of the font from here. See, you can see here I have written the word star. So now you can write also anything inside the shape like this. Okay, in this way you can insert text inside your shape. So this all is about shapes which you can insert in your Word document. This much is for today. Thank you, and all of you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.